know, the fact that these mounds are 5, 6 feet tall, this one's like 6, 7 feet.
Yeah, that's Mount Everest. It's not Mount Everest. I can't. Daddy, help!
Snowball fight! Icicles on the roof. This is the driveway again, after being shoveled 3 times so far since yesterday. We've got one lonely duck in the pond today. One brave duck. There's Mr. Hayes' property. These trees just look beautiful. The road, not looking so great, but it sure looks pretty, as long as you don't have to be driving in it. Wow. Sounds like a snowball battle up here. Icicles on the front of it. I don't know if you can see that on the spring house. And the mounds on the sides of all the shoveling. All hand shoveled. Jack said he could probably dunk the basketball right now from that mound.